Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Canon R3 is probably one of the most anticipated camera releases in recent years, and for good reason, as it promises to deliver a professional-grade shooting experience that combines cutting-edge technology with the renowned image quality that Canon is known for, making it a compelling option for photographers and videographers who demand the absolute best in performance and reliability for their creative endeavors. Number 5. Canon EOS R5 Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the Canon EOS R5, a revolutionary full-frame mirrorless camera. It combines stunning image quality with advanced hybrid capabilities for both photography and videography. Experience breathtaking clarity with its 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This advanced technology delivers exceptional low-light performance and incredible detail in every shot. Powered by the Digic X image processor, it handles demanding tasks with ease. Enjoy high-speed performance and efficient noise reduction for pristine images. Never miss a moment with its impressive continuous shooting speeds. Capture fast-paced action at up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, or up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Achieve perfect focus effortlessly with its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system. Featuring intelligent subject tracking and a groundbreaking eye control AF, it ensures your subject is always sharp. Step into the future of video with stunning 8K RAW recording capabilities. It also supports 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, all with autofocus, making it a versatile tool for filmmakers. What we like. This camera boasts a high-resolution 45MP full-frame sensor and incredible 8K RAW video capabilities. If you demand the absolute best image quality for both stills and video, and need advanced features like eye control AF for precise focusing, this is the professional tool for you. It's ideal for high-end commercial work, filmmaking, and demanding photography where detail is paramount. What people say. Autofocus is blazing fast and insanely accurate, especially with eye face detection. It locks on and tracks subjects like magic, even in challenging lighting. In-body stabilization, IBIS, is a major win. Handheld shots look rock-steady, and paired with RF lenses, the results are buttery smooth. The 45MP sensor delivers stunning detail, dynamic range, and color. Whether I'm shooting portraits, landscapes, or events, the files are sharp and incredibly flexible in post. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the Canon EOS R6, a revolutionary full-frame mirrorless camera designed for ultimate creative freedom. Experience exceptional image quality and advanced performance in a compact body. Capture breathtaking detail with its newly developed 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Every shot is rendered with incredible clarity and rich tones, bringing your vision to life. At its core lies the Digic X image processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and an impressive ISO range of 100/102400. This allows you to shoot confidently in any lighting condition. Never miss a moment with its high-speed continuous shooting capabilities. Achieve up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, or an incredible 20 frames per second with the silent electronic shutter. Its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system covers approximately 100% of the frame with 1053 AF areas. Enjoy precise and reliable subject tracking for people and animals, powered by deep learning technology. Unlock your cinematic potential with stunning 4K UHD video recording. This camera empowers you to create professional-quality videos with ease, capturing every scene in exquisite detail. What we like. With its 20MP full-frame sensor and impressive low-light performance, this camera offers a fantastic balance of image quality and usability. The inclusion of dual UHS-2 SD card slots provides reliable and fast storage for demanding shoots. If you're a hybrid shooter who values great performance in various lighting conditions and needs robust media handling, this camera is a superb choice for events, weddings, and general professional photography. What people say. The full-frame CMOS sensor delivers exceptional image quality. The level of detail and color accuracy it captures is simply superb, making each shot a visual delight. Low light performance is also excellent, reducing noise while maintaining clarity and detail. The 4K video capabilities of the R6 are equally impressive. Footage is sharp, vibrant, and smooth, even when shooting in challenging lighting conditions or capturing fast-moving subjects. The R6's capability of shooting up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter is a real game changer for action photography. It ensures you won't miss that critical shot, whether you're photographing fast-paced sports or wildlife. Number 3. Canon EOS R RF24-105mm f4-7.1 ISSTM lens kit. Introducing the Canon EOS R, a versatile camera designed for creators. It's perfect for vlogging and capturing stunning 4K UHD content with its digital single-lens reflex technology. This kit includes everything to get you started: the EOS R camera, the RF24-105mm ISSTM lens, straps, battery, charger, and essential cables. Experience exceptional detail with its 30.3 MP full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor. It ensures crisp photos and high-resolution videos every time. Capture action with incredible speed. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF offers 5,655 selectable points and focuses in as little as 0.05 seconds, keeping your subject sharp. The camera works seamlessly with the included RF24-105mm ISSTM lens. It's also compatible with EF and EFS lenses using optional adapters. The lightweight RF24-105mm lens is your ideal travel companion. Its variable aperture and focal length make it suitable for any shot, from landscapes to close-ups. Compose your shots easily with the built-in electronic viewfinder and vari-angle touchscreen. Plus, utilize the silent electronic shutter for discreet shooting in any environment. What we like. This kit is designed for creators on the go, featuring a compact full-frame body and a versatile RF24-105mm lens. Its lightweight design and built-in electronic viewfinder make it a joy to use for extended periods. If you're a vlogger, travel photographer, or content creator who prioritizes portability without sacrificing full-frame quality, this setup is perfect for capturing your adventures and stories. What people say. The Canon EOS R3 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera designed for speed and performance, featuring a 24MP full-frame stacked sensor that enables incredibly fast shooting speeds and excellent low-light performance. Its advanced autofocus system, including eye, face, and body detection, combined with a blackout-free electronic viewfinder, makes tracking fast-moving subjects effortless. The camera's robust build quality and weather sealing ensure reliability in demanding shooting conditions, while its intuitive controls and customizable buttons allow for efficient operation. Number 2. Canon EOS M50 Mark II Content Creator Kit. Unleash your creativity with this powerful vlogging camera kit. It's designed to help you capture stunning content with ease. Experience incredible detail with its 24.1 megapixel sensor, delivering crisp images even in challenging lighting conditions. The advanced image processor ensures vibrant and true-to-life colors. Achieve sharp focus effortlessly with its improved autofocus system, including eye detection. It keeps your subject in clear focus, whether you're shooting stills or videos. Record breathtaking 4K UHD video or capture dramatic slow-motion footage in HD, elevate your storytelling with professional-quality video capabilities. The vari-angle touchscreen makes vlogging and creative composition a breeze. Plus, enjoy convenient features like vertical video recording and touch controls for seamless content creation. Transform it into a high-quality webcam with the included software or use its clean HDMI output for streaming. It's ready to integrate into your workflow. What we like. This creator kit is tailored for aspiring YouTubers and vloggers, featuring an APS-C sensor and dedicated vlogging tools like a vari-angle touchscreen, microphone input. Its ability to function as a high-quality webcam is a significant advantage for live streaming and online content. If you're just starting out in content creation and need an affordable, user-friendly camera with excellent video features and easy connectivity, this is an excellent entry point. What people say. The camera does take beautiful pics and love the ability to just transfer it all right to my phone and take content videos. The M50 Mark II has a great series of lenses to accompany it. I also love the fact that this comes with the BR10 remote. One of my favorite underrated features is the touch screen. When taking shots of the night sky, this is wonderful with a stylus. Very clean video for the vlog and podcast and crisp pictures. The tripod with the remote is clutch. Love the rotating screen along and the mic that comes with it give great audio. Number 1. Canon EOS R10 Body Mirrorless Camera, Renewed. Experience breathtaking photos with its 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This camera captures incredible detail and clarity in every shot. Powered by the DigicX image processor, it offers a wide native ISO range from 100 to 32,000, expandable to 51,200. This ensures excellent performance even in challenging lighting conditions. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers nearly the entire frame, providing up to 651 AF zones. Achieve precise focus down to EV-4, ensuring sharp images every time. Capture fleeting moments with impressive speed. It offers 15 frames per second mechanical and 23 frames per second electronic shutter speeds, plus raw burst mode with pre-shooting capabilities. Benefit from advanced subject tracking inherited from the R3. It intelligently detects and follows people, animals, and vehicles, keeping your subject in focus effortlessly. What we like. This camera offers impressive speed with up to 23 frames per second electronic shooting and advanced subject tracking inherited from higher-end models. Its APS-C sensor provides a great balance of resolution and performance for its size. If you're an action photographer, sports enthusiast, or wildlife lover looking for a fast, responsive camera with intelligent tracking capabilities in a more compact form factor, this renewed option delivers exceptional value. What people say. Fast autofocus, sharp images, lightweight. The R10 is perfect for me with controls spaced out a little more. Fast, functional, user-friendly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.